What's up, guys? Alex here with Master Garage. Today I'm working on the 2017 Ford F150 EcoBoost 6-cylinder. The turbocharger, I'm going to replace the turbocharger at the left side, driver's side. So the issue was the vehicle has got the misfire, the customer complaining about the misfire, and a lot of smoke was coming out from the exhaust and keep losing the coolant. So after the diagnostic procedure, I realized the driver's side turbo was bad and the water was going in there and it was burning the water. So in order to replace that, I'm gonna give you a quick guide. So first of all, take the catalytic converter out. There is 2 bolts here, not a big deal, and there is another kind of like C-clamp over there, as you see. Loosen it up, and don't forget to disconnect the upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. Disconnect them and just put some W40 or something around it and gently hammer it out. It's gonna come out. After that, you have 3 nuts around the turbo, which is here, 2 nuts here, and 1 screw down there. So the reason that I'm saying you have to take the catalytic converter out, because you won't be able to access to the bottom one, the bottom screws, and release the clamp, both air duct, the other one. So I already secured it over there, and you don't need to take them out, just move it gently. So another thing, you have to remove the vacuum line. That's the C-clamp. Pull it out and it's easy. So the coolant line, you won't be accessed from here because the turbo located here. So you have to take out from the block, the cylinder, which is gonna be here. You gotta use the 10mm socket. See that water dripping, and take that out. The other one, there is another feeding line there is another coolant line over here. Just all you need, take the screw out. That's a T40 star, and there is another, again, there is another coolant line over here. It goes over I loosen up from the top of the turbo and from the block of the cylinder, so that way it will give me more flexibility to just move it around, get it out of the way. And the last one is going to be the feeding line for the oil. As soon as you lose that out, you take the screw out with the star 14mm T40, you will be able to push it out of the way, and the turbo will gonna come out from the bottom, from right there next to the frame. There you go. I already ordered the whole assembly. It's coming, and I'm gonna put it back together. That was all. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.